Hi guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to take this clip that looks like this, and we're going to be adding these non-skid pieces onto the inside here, as well as adding this onto the inside, so we would make it basically into a clip-on LED light. So let's just jump right into the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these pieces back onto here, so it would be no grip or no slip. So I'm just adding some glue from my glue gun and then sticking them back on as they raised up now. So I'll do one more for you guys to see, and then I'll come back when it's all done. Yes, I'm using a lot of glue. That's just to make sure it stays. So now that I've added all the pieces on the inside so it would have grip, what I'm going to do now is to add this end into the space here, and I'm going to use this glue as well as the glue gun in order to fix that. So here I am adding the glue. I'm putting glue, and this is multi-purpose Evo Stick Impact Instant Contact Glue. I'm spreading that there, spreading it on the other side, and maybe some on top. And I'm going to do a little glue stick glue so that it will instantly hold, as well as, so I'm putting it on this side if you're looking at it, pushing it in, right, and you see it's gone through and it's clipped, right? So now what I have to do basically is wait for this to dry, but I'm going to show you that it's working. So I'm turning this up here, and I'm adding my power bank on the end. I'm putting it on, and as you can see, the light there just came on. So I'm taking it off. You take it off, the light comes off. You click it on, the light comes on. And I'll show you guys what it looks like attached to something while you're doing the nails in another clip. So guys, as you can see, I've attached it to my tripod, and what I've done is I've made it into a stationary flash cure light. And as you can see, the light is on here, and this is the power to it, which charges, and this is the clamp, and this is how it's holding on. So when I do my nails, I can just apply my gelx and put it under the light in order to get it to cure. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.